South Africa receives an allegation of serious misconduct, sexual exploitation and abuse, an independent National Investigation Officer team deploys to the mission area to investigate this case. Upon completion, the investigation is handed over to the Senior Prosecution Counsel to make a prosecution decision. Once the defense has been furnished with all the necessary documentation to prepare for trial and the consultations have taken place, the senior prosecutor will then schedule a military court session in the mission area.
So on the main charge then, which is an allegation, as indicated that over that period, November 2018 to August 2019, by allegedly engaging in a sexual relationship with a DRC civilian, contrary to the United Nations prohibition in that regard relating to peace support operations under the UN auspices, you conducted yourself allegedly in a manner that was prejudicial to good order and military discipline. How do you plead to that charge?
The reason why we decided on this approach is to make the South African military justice system visible to the local population and the UN in the mission area. The perpetrator is held accountable, and it also promotes transparency. It furthermore brings an end to impunity. The victim and the local population also observe and experience that justice is being served. Furthermore, it also serves as a preventative measure in that other South African National Defence Force peacekeepers that are deployed can actually see that the administration of military justice is taking place in the mission area, and it may thus then prevent future transgressions.